Hello there, YouTube. Today I'll be playing Cleany's Window. I don't know. Yeah, Cleany's Windows Business, I guess. Why did I forget about it? Okay, let's see here. Hello, cleaning service. Oh, what's up? We have some dirty windows at home. Uh, well, we are busy during the day, so your job will be. Why? Don't worry about it though. We'll be paid upfront. I'm not send the address to you. Okay. Why is my mouse going crazy? Is that? Oh, it's a mansion. Okay. So it's first person. Press doorbell. Wanna spam it? Oh, let me spam it, please. Huh? Oh, okay. I can't jump. Wait, do I have my equipment on me? No, the witches actually left it inside there. So where do I go? Oh, I can't run. No, I already knocked on the door. What? What? I don't know if you saw that, but there was like blood on the window, I guess. And okay, well, whatever. Start cleaning. Check tools, use the spray. I have to aim it up, get the towel, clean the window. Okay. This is a bit straightforward. Oh, yeah, it's clean now. Okay. Now, next window. Oh, here. Move to next window. Start cleaning. Take my supplies. From the top. Slowly will start going down. Switch. Now, when do I get to use this? Oh, just where I have to use a sponge? I'm guessing. Okay. So far there's nothing. Oh yeah, now I just remember the name of the game. It's called Cleany's Window Service. I'm gonna just going a bit weird with this. Respect the window. Okay. Just aim it here, aim it here. Okay, and now here. Sponge. Just so that nothing scary happens. Okay, move to the next window. Start cleaning. Start cleaning. Your window. I'm gonna spray on the blood a bit more. Okay, so you know, now get here. Oh, there's someone at home. Okay. Springify does not see me. Oh, let's get a sponge. Let's clean this off. Why is there actually blood on here? Huh? Oh, he's waving at me. That's nice. And the last one. It's clean now. Let's hope that nothing happens to the kid. Might be a little foreshadowing. Alright, let's do something. Start cleaning. Take this. Wait. I'm gonna start spamming my everywhere so that way I can. Wait, I just used. Oh, I had to clean off the dust first. Okay. There's so much blood. What even happened in here? Give me sponge. No, no, don't dry off yet. Okay. What? There's something else I'm missing? What? Is there like a tiny spot? No? Wait, let me just try to wipe it. Has to be something I'm missing, right? Is it this? No, no. So what am I missing? Oh, never mind. It was like a tiny bit. Okay. Yeah, oh, I can't exit. Start cleaning. Get my thing. Get my supply. Now, okay. How much water do I even have? Okay, so this is not, I'm guessing this is actually the living room. That's a giant spider. Okay. You guys not clean your house or something? It was clean. Oh, I can't clean that off. Look, let's do this. You know, I'm just waiting for that day that someone's gonna go ahead and just jump scare me from the window. Okay. The next window. Oh, there's someone here. Because I think there is because the TV's on. Yeah, look, I can see someone from there. Um, wait, excuse me, how many floors are there again? Wait, there's a lot. So there's that weird mask again. I don't know what's for. I just wonder if she has a lot weird blood. Wait, no, I'm pretty sure Option Makes like the same amount. Oh, then. Ooh, Firefly. Okay. Move to next window. There is over 3 floors. And I didn't even count the back of it yet. No, where is, you know, if only there was like a more happier floor somewhere. Like say if there was actually no, that's no, actually no, that's actually kind of bad. There's been a lot of jump scares on that floor then. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No, the water's dried out. No, no, don't dry it yet. Wait, wait, you saw it right? There was someone on the stairs. Uh, what am I missing? Okay. You saw it right? There was a person. Um, am I gonna replay that? Nah, you know what, maybe not. Wait, I saw someone. There's definitely someone. Oh, there is. This is. Okay, there's nothing. Clean up the dust? I'm already done with the dust. What do you mean? Okay. Let's clean. No, don't tell me the water dried. No. Yes. My bottle's empty. Better grab some more cleaner stuff from the back of my truck. Is it exit? It is. Well, so who's that guy anyways? Open truck. What? I must have dropped my keys somewhere in the yard. What? Where's the yard? Oh, the worst place I can't run. Oh, found it. Also, just gonna jump scare me. I know it. Someone or something's gonna start jump scaring me. Oh, can't bend all the way down here. I can finally open the back of the truck. Then for a minute there, I thought there was like someone up there just walking. Is that guy still there? Oh, the guy's gone. Okay, back to where I left off. Ooh. Is it? I should I be worried about that? No, should I? I don't know. Look, let me wipe this up. Uh, let's keep up this whole thing up. Okay, I get the sponge. Well, why just use the sponge for the whole thing? I mean, they're both kind of like this. No, oh, I'm gonna miss that tiny dust particle, that tiny blood particle. Or raspberry juice? No. Wait, hold on. Will YouTube actually usually demonetize me if I say that? Okay, I didn't even go to the backside of it. There's gonna become there's gonna be like a jump scare. I know it. There has to be one. It's like these type of games. It's never always so chill. Is that weird mask again? Let's clean off this thing. No. No. Will you see that? There was like a person there. Well, or at least I think it was a person because it went under the bed. Alright, next window. All the other ones were randomized already, so why is this one hand shaped? Did something happen? Oh, wow, I didn't know that my mouse can actually go out of the map. What? There's dust somewhere? Is that all? What? Clean off the dust? There is no dust. Look, there's no more dust left. What do you want? What else do you want to see? Oh, yeah. Here it is. Uh, water is out again. Let's take this. Oh my! Wait, what time even is it as I'm recording? What time? Should I check? Nah, you don't really know. Oh, you know what? Well, I mean, why do they want me to clean off the dust first and then I can use the sponges? Where's that? Isn't that actually kind of dumb? Hold up. Oh wait, someone's having a birthday up here. Aw. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Oh my. Why are you here again? Oh, water's out. What do we do? Don't kill that. No. Don't. No. No. Don't you dare. Don't. I know you're gonna move. I know you're gonna do it. He's gone. Where'd he go? Where'd he at? Take this. This. What the wind? Wait, why are these ones like, uh, bullet shot type of style? Oh, just that tiny particle there. Okay. And please, what else is the game trying to hide from me? No, I can't. I have to keep doing this over and over and over again. Oh, it's clean. Wait, where's that thing at? Where are you at? Clean this up. Clean this up. Oh, faster, faster. Uh, I'm actually planning on playing like Happy Humble's Burger Barn or Burger Farm. Well, you saw that too, right? There was a guy. What guy was that? Oh wait, this person was that Blood Ghost there? Where is he at? Where is he? Oh, what'd I do? Oh wait, did I really go that fast before I accidentally press save? Where is he at? I'm going to put my pants if he doesn't know to scream jump scare. Might as well just add a bit more water here. Sponge. Uh, why is it full of paint? Red paint. Wait, some stuff like I can't clean any of this. I can't clear any of some of these stuff. First I thought that was like part of the wall or something. Okay, let's move to the next window. Uh, I think I see it. No, it's just the same door. Like usual, just clean this window. This was a what? Why did I even decide to clean this house? Wait, that's a knife. What? What is even? Uh, why don't I just call the cops? I mean that there's a killer inside of this mansion. I mean, who knows that maybe this is Bruce Wayne or something. I still have that upper floor to go on. Why doesn't this game allow me to run? Okay, well maybe it's because it's gonna become quite useless for me to try and run. Start cleaning. Alright, you see, I can already tell about what's gonna happen. He's gonna become right at the center there. I'm telling you. He's gonna be right here. Oh, never mind. He just pulled a body up. Okay. I feel as if there's someone having to clean a window before he just tries to go ahead and kill me, that's I feel like as if the bugginess of the game is gonna be the reason why I die. Is he down here? No, it's not. Take this. I'm probably gonna go on the next floor. AKA the piece of bug where he keeps oh, that's just a mask, okay. Otherwise, maybe that's where he keeps his bodies at the attic? That's what it's called? Wait, is that door was open? Huh? Wait, what else do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Yes, something I miss. Oh, I see it. It's so tiny. It's so hard to miss this detail. Look. Yeah, you see that? It was that. Why is there? Let's take this. Is the water actually going down, or is it just Does it not even go down actually? This guy said, does it actually go down? So how many times do I have to keep doing this for him to eventually get to the more scary part? Like oh, never mind. That's something. No, it's nothing. Move to the next window. Oh, I have to get ready for a jump scare. Hold on. Let's see. Is there anything I can see from up here? Well, I guess I have to go up the window. I guess. Start cleaning. All right. If it decides to send me to the far right one, then I know it's gonna come a jump scare at one point. What? Wait, hold on, there's more than one person. There's more than one person behind this. Who is it? Oh, what even? Oh, what can I call? Wait, there's how many is there? They're gone. There's like 5 of them, right? Oh! That jump scared me. What do you want now? Hello, cleaning service. Oh wait, we need some. Oh wait, what? Wait again? Wait, where am I? Huh? Wait, these. Wait. Oh wait, aren't these the people that were? Oh. Wait, these were the people inside the house. Thank you for playing. Me by Dr. Ghost. Well, if you guys want to see more content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And see you guys later.